Welcome back to another video of this series. If you have watched my previous two videos and you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me. Now let us come to our problem statement. So in this, what are we going to do is, our problem statement is that we need to sort our policies based on premium amount. So this is our premium amount, which is a normal variable, which is a double, not a string. You should note this point actually, because based on this, our method will be different. We are calling different method. So let's jump in and create our method. And we'll also fix this method naming because it's not correct actually. So now we have created our method, open our loop, and then just simply create our insurance policy list object, sort policy, and then we need to run our policy and open our stream. And now we need to collect, or we need to sort first, then we need to compare it, comparator, and we cannot use comparing, we need to use comparing double because our value is double, not a string. And then we need to pass our insurance policy and use method reference to get the premium amount value. And then we need to, so now if you haven't watched previous video, you can simply use toList rather than just using collect and then use toList. You can directly use this. Now we'll open our sort policy dot for each, and we can simply print out our, here we have sorted our policy based on premium amount. As you could see, we are not using comparing, normal comparing here, we are using comparing double because our policy of premium is in double, not in string. So now let us rerun. Before running our application, let us fix one thing because this is not right. Actually, the naming convention is not correct. We will fix all the naming convention, map policy type, and then we are going to filter policy. You know why this problem is coming? Because we are using it in our controller. So we'll fix it. Now it's quite better. Rerun our application. Application is building. Just wait for a while. And also fix one more thing in here we haven't fixed in our previous video. We have to change this. We can change it in here. Okay, this has to be consistent because we are going to cover a lot of videos on this. So fire it. We got 200. It is, oh, we need to also change it. I can make it generic one. Okay, we have our policy. Let us clear this out first and make it generic statement for return type. Executed. Now rerun our application. Clear our logs and then fire our endpoint. Executed. Correct. So we have all our policies. Now here just focus on, you will see premium amount is coming in a sorted way. So that's all for now. Thank you.